Still shooting in auto mode? In 2025, cameras are smarter, faster, and built for creators. We tested the latest DSLRs and mirrorless models, from beginner-friendly rebels to full-frame beasts, to find the ones that actually deliver. Whether you're snapping portraits, filming content, or chasing low-light magic, these pics help you shoot like a pro without the gear overload. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. This entry-level DSLR is perfect for beginners stepping into photography. It features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic 4 Plus image processor, which delivers crisp images with accurate colors and decent low-light performance. The included 18 to 55mm lens covers wide to mid-range shots, ideal for portraits, landscapes, and casual travel. You also get full HD 1080p video recording, built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing, and Scene Intelligent Auto mode that helps new users get great results without manual tweaking. Check the description below for product links and best prices. FUJIFILM X100VI digital camera. This compact mirrorless camera is a street photography legend. It packs a high-resolution 40-megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor paired with the X Processor 5, delivering stunning image quality and fast performance. The fixed 23mm f2 lens offers a natural field of view, and the hybrid viewfinder lets you switch between optical and electronic modes. It supports in-body image stabilization, 4K video, and film simulation modes that mimic classic Fujifilm looks. Check the description below for product links and best prices. FUJIFILM X-M5 mirrorless digital camera. This interchangeable lens mirrorless camera is built for creators. It features a 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, in-body stabilization, and deep learning-powered autofocus that tracks faces, eyes, and even animals. The flip-out touchscreen makes it great for vlogging, and it supports 6.2K video, F-Log2 recording, and USB-C charging. It's compact, powerful, and ideal for hybrid shooters who want pro-level results in a portable body. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Nikon D7500 DX format DSLR. This mid-range DSLR is a workhorse for enthusiasts. It features a 20.9MP APS-C sensor, XPEED 5 processor, and 4K UHD video recording. The 51-point autofocus system is fast and accurate, and the tilting touchscreen adds flexibility for shooting at odd angles. It's weather-sealed, has a deep grip for comfort, and offers 8 FPS burst shooting, great for sports, wildlife, and travel. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera. This full-frame mirrorless hybrid is built for serious creators. It features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, Digic X processor, and in-body image stabilization up to 8 stops. The included RF 24 to 105mm lens covers wide to telephoto, making it versatile for portraits, events, and travel. It shoots 4K 60p video, supports HDR PQ, and has dual card slots for pro workflows. The autofocus is lightning fast, tracking eyes, animals, and vehicles with precision. Check the description below for product links and best prices. From compact street shooters to hybrid video rigs, these cameras prove you don't need a Hollywood budget to capture stunning shots. We broke down what each one does best so you can find the perfect fit for your style and workflow. Check the description below for product links and best prices. And subscribe for more gear that actually earns its spot.